day class, good day everyone, good day designers. How's business, how's work going, and how is the family too as well? So in the last class, I promised that I'll be sending a basic sleeve to you guys, how to draft a basic sleeve and a jacket sleeve to you guys. So this class we are doing today, we are drafting today is 2-in-1, a basic sleeve and a jacket sleeve, because the mistake we designers are doing, we do make use of our basic sleeve for our jacket sleeve, which is wrong. We will be using our basic sleeve for our jacket sleeve, it is wrong. So this method I will be drafting for our jackets is very easy. It's very easy method that you can use whenever you want to sew jackets. You can use for it. So firstly, I'll be drafting a basic sleeve. Then after that, I will draft a jacket sleeve. I hope you guys understand. So let's get started. The measurements required for this class is your cap height, your sleeve width, your bust. I know you'll be wondering, how come bust came? Don't worry, when we go into the class, you will know your bust. Then your sleeve length, your elbow circumference, your wrist circumference, and your elbow length. These are the measurements required. I'll be sending it to the group. These are the requirements. So let's get started. And this sleeve serves for all sizes. For all sizes, as long as you follow the required measurements. So let's get started. Now you draw your borderline, which I've done. The next thing we will do is to get our cap height, which is part of our measurement. Our cap height, you will say bust. You see now why I said our bust is needed. Bust divided by 12 plus 1 to get our cap height. Bust divided by 12 plus 1. The bust I'm working on is 34. 34 divided by 12 plus 1. I have 3.8. But that 3.8, I'll be approximating it to 4, which is my 4 here. When I measure it, you have your 4 inches, then you draw a straight line. I hope you can see this. So the next thing now is to get your elbow length. Your elbow length and your sleeve length. My elbow length now that I'm working on is 13.5. 13.5. Can you see? I'll mark my 13.5. I hope you can see. Then my sleeve length is 21. I hope you can see. I'll mark my 21. I'll mark my 21. Then underline. Now I'm underlining my elbow length. Then I'm underlining my sleeve length. So this is it. This is it. Your border line, I want to label so you can understand. Your border line, your cap height, your elbow length, and your sleeve length. Can you see? I've labeled it. Your sleeve length. So the next thing now you'll be doing is to get your sleeve width. How do you get your sleeve width? You will say bust divided by 6 plus 1, or you will say bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. Depends on the one you want to use. Bust divided by 6 plus 1, or bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. So I'll be going for 1.5. So my bust is 34, as I've said earlier. 34 divided by 6 plus 1.5. I will have 7.1 as my answer. So for my sleeve width, I'll be marking 7.1. Yeah, can you see? Let me clean this cap height so that you will not get confused. So for for my sleeve width I have 7. Oh, sorry, for my sleeve width is 7. I don't want to use this point, so I'm not approximating it since it's not up to 5. I hope you understand. My sleeve width is 7. Let me take that again. Bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. That is what I'm making use of, which is 7.1, but I'm marking 7. Can you see? Then I'll draw a straight line. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Clearly. From this your center sleeve, I'll draw a straight line to my 7. That is your sleeve width. Can you see? We have gotten our sleeve width, which is the 7 mark. You just draw a straight line to that 7. So the next thing now you will do is to get your middle point on this sleeve width. To get your middle point, what will you do? You bring your tape rule like so. Can you see? And divide it into 2. Hope you guys can see. And divide it into 2. Hope you guys can see. Divide it into 2. I've done that. Then you go up by half of an inch. You go up by half inch on your line, on your straight slanted line. I hope you can see. Go up by half inch. And just love drawing a straight line a bit. It's not necessary, but I just love it. Go up by half of an inch. After going up by half of an inch, so I want you to notice something before we continue. This sleeve that we are drafting is for both front and back. It is both for front and back. That is the sleeve we are drafting. But for the front and the back, you will see as long as we progress, you will all see it. So I've gone up by half inch on our straight slanted line. Then what you will do next now, for your back, we want to get our back curve. For your back, what will you do? On this half inch, you take your curve ruler and curve like so. I hope on your center sleeve, I hope you can see the way I'm putting my curve. You curve like so. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? Like so. We are creating our back sleeve. Then you see the way I turned. This is our back. Then you take your curve ruler like so. This side. I can't find my other curve ruler. Then you draw like so. I hope you can see the way I'm placing it. Can you see the way I'm placing it? Like so. Down to that 7 measurements that we did, 7 width measurements that we did. Can you see? Can you see what we did? Can you see? This is our back. So now we want to get ready for our front. How do you do it? Same thing apply for our front. You come like so. On the center of your sleeve, can you see? You come like so. I hope you can see this, the way I'm doing it. To this point where your half inch is starting. Can you see the way I'm doing it? You can see clearly I'll be snapping. Can you see? Then you come like so. You make use of this ruler to curve your front pattern to that 7 points width. 2. I hope you can see. This is our front. This mark is our front. So your sleeve is ready. So it's very easy. That's why I said it's very easy to do. If you use this method, you'll be able to sew any style at all, and it will come nice. It will come out nice. So this is it. Our front, our curve is ready for the back and for the front. So what you will do now is your elbow measurement. What is your elbow measurement? Your elbow circumference is 10. 10 divided by 4, you have 5. You come here and mark your 5. Then your wrist circumference, because we are making a long sleeve, so you measure your wrist, which is 8. 8 divided by 2, sorry. 8 divided by 2, you have 4. You mark your 4 for your wrist. 8 divided by 2, you have 4. For your elbow measurement, circumference, your elbow circumference is 10. 10 divided by 2, so that was a mistake. 10 divided by 2, you have 5. This is your 5, not 10 divided by 4, please. I take that elbow measurement again. For your elbow measurement is 10 divided by 2, you have 5. You know, we divided this stuff into 2. So 10 divided by 2, you have 5. Then for your wrist circumference, 8 divided by 2, you have 4. Then you mark. Then you draw your sleeve. If you want it straight like so, you can go ahead and draw. But I don't want it straight. You go ahead and draw your sleeve if you want it straight. If you want it straight like so, you just go ahead and draw your sleeve, your straight slanted sleeve. But I don't want it too straight, so I'll be a bit slanting it a bit. Let me make use of this side. So I will slant it a bit. Can you see what I'm making use of? I'll slant it a bit. For that straight, is for clients that said, I don't want it too tight. I don't want it too tight. I want it to be free. You can make use of straight for them, just straight. But for young ladies like us, like fitted sleeve, you just see what I'm using for my curve. You just curve it a bit. You get a perfect sleeve. Then down to your sleeve length. Can you see? Down to your sleeve length. I hope you understand this. So what you'll be doing now is you just add, after cutting it out, you just add about 1.5 or 1 for your allowance. This is it. This is your sleeve. I hope you can see this. I'll be snapping it, then cutting it out now. So guys, I'll be showing you how to cut it, but I'll only be cutting this cap height, like this cap height, the cuff side. I'll be cutting that one only. I will not cut this side because I want to use this same pattern for our jacket sleeve. So what you will do is just to cut this side, then this side to cut it. That is what you will do. But now I just want to cut this side for you so that you will see how to cut it. I will not cut this part out. No. So let's go. Let me just cut out the sleeve length. So I'll be cutting this out. Whenever you want to cut your sleeve, you cut out the back first. Can you see? You cut out this back first. Can you see? Can you see the way I cut it? You cut out the back first. Can you see? Cut out your back first. And the next thing you will do is to just cut out this side, this straight slanted side sleeve. You cut it out. That is the next thing. But because I want to use it for jacket, I'm not going to cut it out. Now that you have cut this back out, all you have to do is to cut your front. You know you have cut this back out now. Can you see? Can you see the way it's looking? You have cut. Now you just cut your front. What you will do, you open this side like so. Can you see? You will not cut this part. This part now will serve for your back, and this part now will serve for your front. So when you want to cut your front, you remove this part out, then you cut your front. Let me show you. This is it. Can you see? I'm not cutting this one. I'm only cutting this side. Can you see? So be careful. So this is what I'm saying. Can you see now? This is your front, and this side is your back. Can you see? Can you see what I'm showing you now? We are done. We are done. Can you see? We are done cutting. This is your back now. This is your front. We are done. So you know I said I'll be using this for jacket, but I don't want to get you guys confused. I'll cut this one out so that you see the main sleeve. Then we'll go in for our jacket. I don't want to get you guys confused. So let me cut this out. We are done. And I said this is your front. This is your back. So please ensure you label front. Then when you come here, you label back too. So let me cut it out so that I will not get you guys confused. So this is how you cut the side out too. Can you see? So let's cut it out. Your sleeve is ready. Can you see? Can you see your sleeve? It is ready. It is ready. This is your sleeve. I'll be snapping it now so that you can see. Sleeve is ready.